Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Finance and Crypto Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add hyperlinks to your document on Google Docs. So let's get started right away. First of all, open Google Docs using the desktop shortcut or your web browser. Once you open it up, just open the document where you want to set your hyperlink. Once you open up the document, you will need to have your link ready that you want to set up for your hyperlink. So just go ahead and copy the link that you want to set as a hyperlink. Then you can go back to your document and simply highlight the word or the entire sentence that you want to redirect into your hyperlink. Now just right click and scroll down and you will find Insert Link. Just go ahead and click on it, and now you can simply paste in your link. After pasting it in, you can click on the Apply button, and now when you click on this, you will be redirected into the link that you set. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to add hyperlinks to your document on Google Docs. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.